Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Providence here. So today guys, I'll be showing you my early morning study routine, what I usually do when I want to study in the morning. So I wake up pretty early in the morning when my daughter is still sleeping and my husband is gone to work. So what I'm gonna do is I just like to turn on the lights, open the windows to like just have the brightness coming in. I just love it. And then I'm gonna go ahead to make this lime water or lemon water. I love it, like taking it in the morning since I'm on this weight loss journey. I don't take it every morning, but sometimes I just like it. And then I'm gonna go ahead to study while drinking my water. Usually when I study, I just like use my computer and then I make little notes. But most of all, for postgraduate, I have a lot of papers and assessment to write. So I usually just like make little notes and then use my computer to type what I want to type in. Here I was using my phone to do some research online. It's just easier to use my phone because I just feel like it's best for me. So yeah, that's what I do in the mornings, and I hope you guys like this video. Yep.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide.
So guys, I am done study. So I wrote everything down that I wanted to kind of study today. My battery for my phone died, so I have like my notes over here. So yeah, that's what I did. So guys, we're heading bowling right now. I'm really excited. This is like the first time we're going out since this coronavirus thing, so I'm kind of excited to kind of go bowling. I love bowling. So our appointment was supposed to be for 2, but we're late, so we called in and then so that we're gonna be there at like 2:15. So Freddy's right here. Say hi to the people. Okay, so yeah. You didn't bring water? Oh yeah. Oh, it's okay. Don't worry about it. When we no. Okay, you wanna go? Thank you. Yeah. So we're gonna go. I'll see you guys when we get there. I'm really excited. Alright.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Okay, y'all, I'm gonna make breakfast. So y'all, like, this is the thing. I went to Whole Foods to get like bananas and some baby stuff for my baby, and then I got bananas. It's the same thing they have at Walmart, they have at Whole Foods. So I'm like, are they really organic? Let me know. Comment down in the comment section below. Let me know if they're organic, because this is so weird. Like, why are they gonna have the same bananas they have at Whole Foods at Walmart? So I really want to know. When I go there, maybe I don't know. So right now I'm gonna make breakfast for my girl so that she can eat. I'm just gonna keep y'all here.
Can last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrender.
I'm gonna use this other half to prepare her food. Today I'm gonna meal prep for her. I'm gonna do a lot of like nice things. I got like blueberries, strawberries, apple, pears, bananas, peas. I'm gonna make her baby food. That's what I'm gonna do right now. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Whew. Right now, I'm just gonna bring out the water from the microwave to heat it up because I don't like heating our food up in the microwave. I'm even planning on stopping using the microwave to heat up our food, so I just don't want to use it for the baby. So I'm just gonna place it in there and it's gonna get warm. And yeah, so guys, I hope you guys enjoy this video. So that's all I have this morning. I'm gonna go ahead to feed my daughter and then shower her, and yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And then yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, leave comments on what you want me to do, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys, and I love you.